Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list click Pair New Device button if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, and that's it. Now we need to open the charging case, and at the right side we have Connectional button. Press and hold this button until this LED light starts blinking. Here we go. Now we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list, and you need to tap on them. Then click Pair, and that's it. Did we have connection? Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!